Welcome. This is Noble. I welcome you in Wealth Abundance program where you will learn all the skills and concepts of wealth abundance. So let me talk about myself. I'm Noble. My life's journey, I failed my seventh standard and then became self-taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist and super consciousness expert. We have served around 4,000 plus students, 500 plus teachers. I'm a founder of Noble Transformation Hub. I've spent 75,000 US dollars on these skills: digital skills, future skills, freedom and transformational skills, technological skills, soft skills, and I have done 500 plus global digital future skills trainings. I have done 100 plus projects on these skills with GE, Wipro Technologies, Himalayan Institute of Alternative Ladakh, Teach for India, Howard Medical School, Toastmasters International, and I have done research over 15 years on these skills. We are on a mission to help 1.8 billion people across the world, millionaires, to achieve ultimate growth and create 100 million new digital leaders and teachers till 2030 to meet global education goals. Why wealth abundance program is very important for your life to achieve success and attract lot of abundance and have lot of abundance. Wealth abundance. If you are not having true freedom skills, if you are not having true wealth skills, where how to attract wealth in your life, not having a freedom, wealth, abundance, okay, you have pain of lot of, like, pain of not having enough resources for true growth, okay, not having income for your true freedom, not having multiple streams of income. So if you have like not having up to 10x growth in your income and wealth, okay, and if you are under a lot of debt, a lot of loans, lot of things, you are in debt and you don't know how to come out of it, so you should definitely join this program. So we have a simple methodology through which you will learn the program. Teaching processes with super simplicity, step to step process. You will learn all these skills: simple theory, simple model, and simple implementation. Okay, no complexity. So I would teach you all these secrets. Okay, how to have a lot of wealth and abundance in your life. I would welcome you to the masterclass program where you learn these skills properly with step to step clarity, and you will apply it in your life and achieve a lot of success. Thank you so much.